The Hyundai Tucson is equipped with advanced technology that doesn't just make your commute easier, but more enjoyable as well. With an available Bluetooth hands-free phone system, touchscreen navigation, rear-view camera, and enhanced entertainment, the Tucson gets you wherever you need to go in supreme style. With the Tucson, staying connected on the road has never been easier. With its available Bluetooth hands-free phone system, you can call your friends and family all without ever having to take your hands off the wheel. And with its unique HomeLink system, you can open the garage, close gates, and even turn on the kitchen light, all from the driver's seat. With the Tucson's available touchscreen navigation system, you can quickly and easily find nearby amenities and receive real-time traffic alerts. It also comes with a rear-view camera that makes backing up or backing in easier than ever before. Oh, and the Tucson's 160-watt audio system lets you access your favorite music via AM/FM, CD, MP3, iPod, and SiriusXM satellite radio. So, if you're looking for a technologically advanced crossover, the Tucson has what you need and more. Go ahead, check out all these amazing features yourself. So schedule a test drive of your very own at Ken Garff Hyundai today.